Sit back, relax, grab a drink, and enjoy today's spooky Halloween DIY. I'm so excited to bring you guys this spooky video again. You seemed to enjoy it last year, and so did I. So this year I brought you some looks all from my closet without having to spend any extra money. It shows you exactly what you can do to get a little inventive inside your own closet. Let's start off with the first look, a classic, a witch. I decided to go witchy chic with this one. I just wore my black dress and I felt fierce. And with the fog, oof, couldn't tell me nothing. I'm gonna cast a spell on you. Take any black outfit you have, boom, witchy vibes, easy peasy. Don't even need a hat because like I said, I went for the chic side of it all. Next up, we have a classic character, Carmen Sandiego. Where in the world is Carmen Sandiego? That is not at all how you say the slogan, but I'm in this weird voice now and I can't be stopped. So all you need for Carmen Sandiego is a red jacket and a red hat if you have it. I happen to have one, but a red jacket, black underneath, you're good to go. Where in the world is Carmen Sandiego? Next up we have a pop culture phenomenon, Tiger King. Well, all you cool cats and kittens, this is exactly all you need. An animal print and a flower crown, and Carol Baskin will be shaking in her boots. Next up, one of my personal favorites, Miss Piggy. She's been the hottest plus size icon for years, and I thought she deserved a moment in the limelight. All you need is her signature pink, some pearls, and voila, you're Miss Piggy. It might help if you have your own little Kermit, like I do. Next up, it's time for Alexis. A little bit Alexis. I couldn't resist. I had to change the voice for her. She is so iconic in my eyes. If you watch Schitt's Creek, you already know this has Alexis vibes all over it. David. Ew, David. I love her. She's an iconic character, and she was so fun to dress up like. And again, all you need is a boho style dress and a hat, and you are good to go, my friend. And last, but certainly not least, bring out your inner pop star and emulate one of their favorite looks, like I did with this Britney Spears look from her Oops, I Did It Again iconic music video. I had that red pleather skirt, it's popped with my red bodysuit. It's not the perfect match, but that's the fun of DIY. Give yourself a little bit of inspo. And I absolutely love how the look turned out. A bonus look, this was not a DIY, but me and Jeff dressing up like Harley Quinn and the Joker via the Birds of Prey. We had so much fun doing this costume. Here's some pictures of our looks. I hope you guys enjoyed this Halloween DIY lookbook 2020 edition. Please let me know what was your favorite look. Thank you for watching, and remember to just be you. To just be you. Wow, my lung power is not great.